So, we are Sneezelwaffle. Sneezelwaffle. Go!
No.
No, go for this. We are Sneezelwaffle. Go! No, I didn't say that right.
Okay,
Yeah. So my name's Ema, which is Irish, and it's got E-M-E-R, in case you're wondering. Look it up. Interesting name. Maybe children after me. I'll appreciate it when they're older.
I know, and you can name your children whatever you like. So. This is our introduction video anyway. So, Ema, what the hell are you doing? Yeah, we're just gonna do pointless stuff, which nobody really cares about.
You know when some people pout in photos?
Yeah.
You know how they like this?
Yeah.
How do you think the lips aren't crinkled? Because I do it like this. But my lips look stupid like that.
I don't know, that's a good question. Like that. And then people just don't
I'm like this! Who's this? Yeah, okay. So we're going to have lots of really interesting content. We've got loads of different videos planned. It's going to be a blast.
And we're going to do the accent challenge.
Yeah, we're hopefully going to do that. So, like, subscribe.
Just like
if you want to, just, you know, show us that you're watching, and, you know, watch it, because it's cool. Cool shit.
we don't even know whether we have sound yet.
So if we have to record this again, I'm going to be really pissed.
We've recorded it like 6 times already, and it's just
not going well so far. Well, okay. Shout out to what's his name, PewDiePie, who helped us pick our names involuntarily. He doesn't know. He probably doesn't know who we are.
I love PewDiePie.
Our name is named after his name because he's, where is he from?
Sweden!
Sweden, and we feel that Sneezelwaffle sounds like a Swedish name, but we're English. I'm British.
We just love, well, I love PewDiePie.
I've never heard of him before today. That went well.
I love him, okay.
Okay. Bye!